If you're curious about AIComicFactory.ai and wondering if it's the best new AI software to hit the market, you're in the right place, because there are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. And trust me, the last one could completely change how you use AI in your content strategy. You can try AIComicFactory.ai. For completely free using the first link in the description, no credit card, no commitment, but before you do, let's break down exactly what makes this software so interesting and why it might be a game changer for creators, marketers, and storytellers. So here's what's cool. AI Comic Factory takes your text, script, or even just an idea and turns it into a full-color panel-based comic strip using AI-generated art and text. You can choose from multiple comic styles like manga, Western graphic novels, webtoons, and more. The AI handles character consistency, panel layouts, dialogue boxes. It's genuinely impressive how fast and polished the result looks. One of the biggest strengths is how beginner-friendly the interface is. No design or illustration skills needed. You type, tweak, and in minutes, you've got a ready-to-publish comic. For marketers, this opens up a whole new storytelling angle. Think product explainers, lead magnets, or even viral social content in comic form. If you've got an audience, this tool helps you connect with them visually in a way that stands out. The AI behind the software doesn't just generate random scenes. It understands narrative pacing. So if you've ever tried turning a story into a comic manually, you'll appreciate how much time and thinking this saves. You can even regenerate specific panels if you're not happy with how something looks. Super useful for refining a message. Another underrated feature is the voice synthesis and speech bubble control. You can customize how your characters sound and speak. This isn't just about making art. It's about crafting a fully narrated experience, especially useful for content creators building visual stories with voiceover or YouTube Shorts. But here's something to keep in mind. While AIComicFactory.ai is powerful, the export resolution options are still catching up. You'll get solid quality for social media, but if you're planning print quality projects, double-check your settings. That said, for digital-first content, this is more than enough. And now for the 7th thing you really need to know, the roadmap. The dev team is rapidly updating this platform with promised integrations like animation, multi-language support, and even comic-to-video features. That means getting in early, while it's still free, gives you front-row access as it evolves into something even bigger. So if you're experimenting with storytelling, content marketing, or just want to have fun turning your ideas into comics without hiring artists or editors, AIComicFactory.ai is absolutely worth trying. Again, the link in the description lets you try it completely free. And if you're serious about building with AI, I've also listed my most recommended AI software tools. Down below, after testing thousands, these are the ones I trust and actually use. Thanks for watching. And let me know in the comments what kind of comic you plan to make first.